Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it'll be solely on just the, as you can see here, the electric balloon pump. I have two here because I wanted to show you guys that they are practically the same. Of course, it may be different makes and models, but I think for the most part, in terms of like even watts, they're pretty much even the same watts as well. So, and they're super easy to operate. So let's go ahead and quickly begin. Yes, there are different types of balloons and the different type of pumps. So these here are the electric ones here, which I'm gonna show you like a brief description of how it works. And then you also have the actual handheld one here. Not my favorite, but you do have to understand if you are blowing up a lot of balloons, these do tend to overheat. And let's say you have a lot of balloons to blow up and you're short on time. Believe me, planning any kind of event, things like that happens. Believe me, I'll say it again. Planning most events, things like that happens. You might want to have something like this handy, or if you don't want to, hey, you could get at Dollar Tree. If you don't want to, there's always you just use your mouth. Now with these here, no, this is not the helium. These here are just solely just the air alone. So I know that Balloon Time does have the pumps, the tanks, the pumps. I meant the tanks that have the helium in it. But you have to understand the balloons like this cannot take the helium. I don't even think that it would even hold because of the filter or the nozzle that includes when you're putting it onto the balloon. And these here and it even says it here. I strongly believe, yeah, it says right here, balloon will not float if filled with helium, right there. So and it even says non-intended fuse with helium. So so there that goes. But I believe that things like this, the balloons like this that have the glitters in it, yeah, you can put it inside and it actually will make it float. If you use these in here, it won't, unfortunately. It will just like kind of like float all around inside of the balloon. It will not blow up. But anyway, back to matter in hand. I just wanted to talk about the different types of balloon pumps. And also I have the straw here because this is the straw that's included that with these here that you use to blow up in the valve. And this is the safest bet that you can use to blow these up. Yeah, you can use these. Let's say, like I said, you're short on time, you want something to use quickly. This is something that you can use, like I said, either machine. So with that being said, let me get right into this, and here we go. So, I'll just use this one here. This one here is a Pretex brand. And then we have the bigger nozzles here, smaller ones there. I like the fact that these are so small, portable, and compact. As you can see here, super, super small and portable, which is good. Yes, they are loud. I guess they call it electric for a reason, but yes, they are loud. So, with that being said, I like the fact that the handles are here for if you like to get the actual cord out. The handles are here. I like the fact that you can even store the nozzle pieces inside as well. You see, these are here empty, but this machine here includes it already on it, so you don't have to really worry about that too much because it's already included. So, with that being said, oh yes, let me just show you the middle part here where as you open it up, it will show you. It'll show you. It's not gonna show you, but you actually have the like a little storage unit right in here. Where if the tips come off like this machine here, you can also store it in here as well. This one here, it just keeps the cord. That way the cord does not get damaged whenever en route or whenever you are transporting it someplace. So now, with that being said, let's continue on to here. So with here, with this machine here, see the nozzles are inside. Perfect and easy for care of because you don't want it to be falling off when you are traveling about. So that's that. Now, back to the matter at hand. Bigger nozzles here, smaller is there. And so, yeah, this is loud. So, just for the record, okay? So I have this already plugged in and ready. So let's go. So this is it here. Yeah, it can get loud. So let me show you with the bigger pump first how this can work, and then I'll show you guys with the smaller pump. So, oh yeah, and also as well, some machines do have it where as long as you push down on it, it will float. Let me see if it's this one. Yeah, see that? Yeah, sometimes it tells you which one. Yeah, but for that one, there's this one here. Like I said, this is just a balloon to show you an example of how that works. So just place that there, and then you until whatever size you want that to be. So that's that. And then now with the smaller ones, to show you guys really quickly, because I don't want this too long. Oh, I have this balloon clip here because these are some really cute things to do. Because like I said, using these machines here, of course, you're going to be blowing up a lot of balloons. I got this, I think they're like 10. I don't know how much there's in it. I think, yeah, it's 10. It's 10. So you can like make like little flowers with it. I thought it was so cute. So let me just kind of include that in. Of course, Dollar Tree is your best friend with that. So that's that there. And then here, how you attach the smaller nozzles. Twist it in. Easy twist on. And then it's the same thing as well. I believe this one here, I think you can just toss. Let me see. If not, I have to switch to other nozzle. Yeah, I have to switch to the other nozzle. these here, I like this one here better because as soon as you put it on, they all come out, which is perfect. But same thing here. You just twist it all the way on, then it blows the balloon. So, but yeah, you guys. But yeah, you guys pretty much got it. Same concept here with the smaller ones. Like I said, these here, I would prefer to use this with these here because obviously the nozzle that's with it, if you see the size of the straw, this one here would be your best bet for blowing up the balloons that are like this here. And there you guys have it. Don't want to make this too long, but these are just some examples of the balloon pumps that I currently use. Like I said, pretty good, pretty convenient, pretty portable. Yeah, they're kind of loud. Just try not to overheat them. All the directions are there for your convenience. So you're all set. Like I said, right in here, you can have the little storage space right there. And you are basically set and ready to go. Here's the second one here, just so that you can see the nice little pink and blue theme we got going on here. Oh, you know what? In actuality, what I like too is the fact that you can even touch these here as well, and it blows it up. Let me do pink. So let me put the pink one on it like that. That's why I like these. These are so portable. And then look at this, like the same thing. Same thing. Look. Pretty convenient. Well, there you guys have it. Any questions or anything like that, let me know. These are two different brands here, but I just wanted to show you guys the boxes of how they look. And yeah, any questions at all, let me know. Love you guys to pieces. Bye-bye. Take care.